hypnotized. I don't know why she got me feeling this way.
Hindi, ibang dagulan.
Hindi mamaya pa yun. Ito.
Tapos
Hi. Dito sa patient.
JC! Oh, wala na! Yay! 1, 2, 3, go. Hey. That one. The differences. Play. Ang sarap ng coffee sample. Ulitin ko yung tanong ko kay Anika. Sige.
Na-exile siya.
Oo. Alam ko na, 4.
Sa anong year?
Sana ka sa buhay mo. 1896.
Ano yung start?
96. Featuring Rizal. Pulutan din si Rizal. Tama.
Which will be given by Google University Palayon Dancer and
She'll never know your story like I do. You work hard, I work. She's sure I wanna be true. But the day that you wake up and fight through. You can go, ask me, go on, if you could see that I'm the one who understands.
Go, nursing!
Go, nursing!
Dito pa ba?
Of Nursing, winner, College of Nursing.
Go na naman! Wala na bago? Ay! Let's go, nursing! Hindi na siya mag-duty, guys. First duty. So 46. Late.
Ito yung vital signs monitoring. Diyan po tayo.
Jasmine, you look. Food delivery. Tayo ang food panda. Walking food panda. CBG result. Ano? Sinakala natin.
Name at tapos yung condition. Yung initial.
Ano to yung latest nila?
Another POV. Another POV.
This is so good. Love it.
Parang ang daming naka-duty.
Pwede tayo mag-ibalik dito sa side.
Hi guys, so let's make dinner. That version. Apples. Wala man, LPA.
IM. Passing date. Okay na. So, charting na lang. Ano, kasi kung ano sa akin. Tapos dito ko. Thank you, Lord. May nahulog, Anika. Ano ba po? Ito yun. Oo nga. Wait lang. Babs, di ba nag-ano ka? Andyan sa baba mo. Bakit natin sa akin ito?
This is the session for the
Tapos sa Julas na. Julas sa North Drive.
Ma-intern ako sa Totally Charmed. Your first funky trip, Merch Hall.
Saan lang na? Ito yung ano.
Ito yung isa set.
I feel.
No booklet for STI and HIV. Next. Frustrating. Bakit ang news ko? Nakakainis.
Baka na siya teacher na.
Next. Stay protected. Nagulat lang na yung basta, tote bag siya na super small. Yeah. Sponsored by Shell. Shell Protection.
And love yourself.
You can get this for free and local.
Featuring mga may backlog.
May background. Mapi-feature tayo ulit sa ano niya, no? We are in another level of kaspontihan. Another level of gala. Bumalik na yung ano ko. Single eye bag. Kahapon 2 linya yun. Yeah.
Welcome our Master of Ceremony for the first BICO Original HIV and Sexual and Reproductive Health Summit. Let's give a big hand to Gentleman BICO Peer Educator Mr.
Pababa na ng pababa ang kanilang case. Social network testing na kung saan or sino yung mga nakasama.
Celebration. Maybe this time I will speak in behalf of the DSWD.
Our invitation in coming here, despite of the layo pa pinanggalingan HIV/AIDS program in the Bicol region.
Sa baba na po, at sino yung mananalo ay so I believe that all of you are ready to pick a piece of paper that corresponds in number. Tama ba? Meron na. So that will be flashed in our LED. So this is very quick, so since we have only 10 minutes for us to prepare.
Okay, sige. Sino mag-ooperate just ninyo? Boleta. Okay. So, to claim your prize, please. 32, okay? Sige po.
Balik po yan.
Next.
Opo, babalik po.
Please proceed po. Proceed po kay Sir Raj dito to claim your prize.
Ay, nawara. Yan ang pag-yuyo na nagpandami sa iyo.
Number 35. Sino po ang nanalo number 35? Okay, si Sir next.
Yo.
Yeah. 120. Number 120. Meron? Okay, next. Number 84. Number 84. Okay, si ma'am. Congratulations. 84? Okay.
We must ensure that people with HIV have access to antiretrovirals and treatment for comorbidities such as hypertension, diabetes, and tuberculosis.
And will forever be an advocate in respect for human rights.
Before we proceed,
Guys, uwi po kami merong Andila Balde. HM Beauty. With the vendors in Kalayaan Park. Kabakal po, tabi! Malinaw, tabi!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, DOH. Hygiene kit kasi kulang kami sa hygiene. Ano ba ang sabon ha? 3 bar. Ba't isang? 2. Wala man toothpaste.
Galit siya. Galit si Inspector.
Parang kulang yung binayad ko. Wala naman yung binayad. Ako, pag yan talaga. Galit. Oh! Bakit ganyan?
Dalawang unique toothpaste.
Uy, ang kulang-kulang si V.
1 towel. Dalawang Pride.
Nakakainis.
Dalawang Nubaw
isa lang
black
sa
soap.
akin. This is not it.
Shampoo, Palmolive, toothpaste, unique agad.
Wali ako niyan.
Tabo, ingredient. Here's face towel.
Tignan mo to.
What's this? Oh, the brief! The brief!
Meron din ako.
What's this? What's this one? What's this one?
Panty. Blanket.
Malo. Blanket.
Panty.
Wait, what is?
Ano mati?
What is? There's only toothpaste. Oh, may pang baby. This one is for adult. This is milk cutter. Oh, ang brand, ang brand. Ang brand sa akin is Happy. Non-beam. Sa'yo, those days.
Sa akin, those days.
Non-beam.
Those days.
For napkin. And of course, the Erinola for those who are too lazy to go to the toilet. This will also be used as a subo.
Sakto, sira na ang pala.
For ano, for noodles, you know.
Sige mo sa akin, maliit na yun.
Baby.
Baby, pang baby.
Wait, dapat. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, QH.
Quick! Ayan. Ay.
Wala din daw si Bianca surprise kasi naubos ako.
Grocery package. Grocery package. Wala akong face mask. Hindi siya pang COVID. Ay.
True, mas kasi na daw sa COVID.
Wala na.
Everywhere you go, candy canes and silver lanes, is the holly that will be ours in Jen. Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. Sure, it's Christmas.
Hi guys. So I'm so hungry. Chicken, spicy. I hope it's spicy. Yeah, spicy chicken, and we have fries na soggy na, ketchup, and for dessert, peach mango pie. I'm so hungry kasi hindi ako nag-lunch because I was so busy doing my finance project kasi it's finance. So this is lunch and dinner in one. Don't you like me? Gagawin after this. Maaga na naman papasok bukas. Gigising bukas. Kasi we have a duty at 7 AM sa Bugao. So, mga 4 dapat gising na ako. So, we're gonna leave at 5:30 to 6. Okay, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hi, Trish. Hi. Kita-kita na naman.
Tapos at around 11,
Rinji. Good morning.
Thank you.